Hi everyone, it's me Gautam, and in this video we're going to learn how to calculate the area of basic 2D shapes in a very easy way. So let's get started. First, you need to know what is area. Area is how much space a 2D shape can hold or occupy. And a 2D shape is a shape that you can put flat on the ground and has only two dimensions. You might be thinking, why do we need to learn about area? Well, if you come across buying a house, building a football ground, or even replacing a broken window, you need to know what size you want. And in this case, this size is called area. So let's take, for example, you want to replace a broken window and you don't know how much material you need. Using area, you can figure out the shape and how much space the window covers, so we can pick the perfect amount of material needed for your window. You can find the area of different types of 2D shapes, such as squares, rectangles, triangles, circles, trapeziums, other quadrilaterals, and even polygons. But first, let's take an example that you want to calculate the area of a football pitch, in which each block is 1 meter long. This is because we have to multiply the length and the width, which gives us the area of 1 meter squared. But to find the area of the entire football pitch, you need to find all the squares. So first, you need to count the number of squares across and the number of squares down. So in this case, there are 10 squares in each row and there are 6 columns. So 10 into 6 equals 60 meter squares. Area is usually measured in square meters, square centimeters, square miles, or square kilometers. Now I'm going to teach you how to find the areas of basic 2D shapes like squares, triangles, rectangles, and circles by giving you formulas, because in our everyday world we don't have squares to measure how much area they contain. Now I'm going to teach you how to find the area of a square. As you can see in the picture below, one side is 3 centimeters. So all the sides must be 3 centimeters because all the sides in a square are equal. So to find the area, you need to multiply the length and the width of the sides. But as they're all equal, we can say the formula is side multiplied by side equals side squared. So if you substitute the values, 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters gives us an answer of 9 centimeters squared. Now the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is very similar to the area of a square because the opposite sides are equal. So you need to multiply the length of the longer side, which is called the length, and the length of the shorter side, which is called the width. So the formula to find the area of a rectangle is the length into width. In short, we use L into W as abbreviations to use the first letters. So we must multiply 4 centimeters, which is the length, and 2 centimeters, which is the width, which gives us an answer of 8 centimeters squared. Now the area of a triangle. But first, if you look at this particular triangle from different perspective, we can see that if you cut a rectangle in half diagonally from its 2 points, we get 2 triangles. But even though these triangles have the same lengths, you must be thinking they must not possibly have the same area because they look different, right? So now we're going to do an experiment to prove our theory is correct. First, let's find the area of the rectangle. If the length is 8 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters, the area is 8 centimeters into 4 centimeters, which gives us an area of 32 centimeters squared. And because we can split the rectangle into 2 equal triangles, 32 centimeters divided by 2 gives us an answer of 16 centimeters squared. Now, our triangle. Here is the base, which sits on the ground, and the height, which is from the top vertex to the bottom base. So to calculate the area, you must multiply the height and the base and divide it by 2. You divide it by 2 because half a rectangle is the area of a triangle. So 8 centimeters times 4 centimeters divided by 2 gives us an answer of 16 centimeters squared. And as you can see, both our triangles have the same area, even though their shapes look different. So our experiment has proven to be correct. Now I'm going to teach you the area of a circle. You must be thinking that finding the area of a circle is impossible because it has no edges and sides. But it's actually quite easy. First, let's label the circle. Here is the radius, which is from the center of the circle, which is called the origin, to any of its edges. The area of this circle is pi multiplied by r squared. This pi is not the type of eating pie, but in fact it's 3.14, also known as 22 by 7 as a fraction. Pi is a constant, which means it never changes, so it always stays the same. So to find the area of the circle, we need to multiply pi, which is 3.14, by the radius and multiply by the radius again. So in this case, the radius is 10 centimeters. So the area is 3.14 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, which gives us an answer of 314 centimeters squared. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch my next video, which covers how to calculate the area of more complex 2D shapes. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, The Learning Bits. Bye!